Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Before we get into the topic, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. The 1 meal a day diet is nothing but fasting from food for 23 hours a day and eating whatever you would like to for one meal, usually defined as 1 hour window. The meal can range from a burger and fries to a more healthful salad loaded with greens, roasted veggies, whole grains, beans, nuts and seeds. But it is always good to eat healthy. Try to eat right as much as you can. The idea is by limiting your calorie consumption throughout the day, you can feast on one meal and still lose weight. Water and unsweetened coffee and tea are allowed, but otherwise the kitchen is closed all day long. You might be thinking if OMAD diet is same as intermittent fasting. No, not really. The 1 meal a day diet is a type of time restricted intermittent fasting in which dieters will fast for 12 or more hours per day. In this case, it's 23 hours fasting and 1 hour window for one meal. Most people do this by starting a fast at night, skipping breakfast and eating their first meal in the middle of the day. Can you lose weight by eating one meal a day? When you're only eating one meal per day, you're likely consuming a significantly fewer amount of calories than you normally would. Reduced calorie consumption will definitely result in weight loss. Is the OMAD diet healthy? This meal plan helps you do it in a safe and effective way, ensuring you get enough calories and protein each day while helping you meet your low carb and weight loss goals. This plan might not be good if you miss out on important nutrients and stick to burgers, fries or any sort of junk. Though you lose some pounds, it's not recommended to eat non-healthy food. Please let me know if you have any questions. And thank you for watching. Please do not forget to hit subscribe, share and like. Thank you.